Hi guys, Mia from Mia's World of Travel, and welcome back to our channel. Before we continue into the next part of our LA travel day, we wanted to pause for a different view of Long Beach, California. This full aerial feature was captured by Mr. Aerial Drone, giving us a cinematic look at the coastline, the harbor, the city, and the cruise energy that surrounds this part of Southern California. From above, Long Beach feels completely different. You see the movement, the water, the ships, and the destination in a way that you just cannot experience from the ground. For us, travel is not only about where we are going next, it is also about the moments in between, the views, the atmosphere, and the places that shape the journey before we ever step on board. So enjoy this aerial look at Long Beach with us as we continue our West Coast travel story. As we continue over Long Beach, this is where you really start to see how much movement lives inside this destination. From the coastline to the harbor, the city has this steady rhythm that feels both relaxed and active at the same time. You have the water, the ships, the roads, the skyline, and all of these small details that come together when you see it from above. And that is what makes aerial footage so special. It gives you a wider perspective. It lets you slow down for a moment and take in the full scene instead of just moving through it. For cruise travelers, Long Beach is one of those areas that can easily become part of the experience. Whether you are flying in early, staying nearby before embarkation, exploring between sailings, or simply enjoying the West Coast views, there is something about this area that naturally feels connected to the journey. And for us, this was one of those moments where the travel day had already begun, but the cruise story was still building. Mr. Aerial Drone captured this from a perspective that allows the destination to speak for itself. Clean, cinematic, and elevated, but still very real. Sometimes the best travel moments are not rushed. They are the views you pause for, the atmosphere you take in, the quiet moments before the next part of the trip begins. So as you watch Long Beach from above, take in the coastline, the harbor, the city movement, and the feeling of being right on the edge of another travel adventure. What I love about aerial footage is that it gives a destination room to tell a bigger story. You are not just looking at one street, one building, or one moment. You are seeing how everything connects. The coastline, the harbor, the ships, the roads, the city, and the water all moving together. And that is what makes this perspective so powerful. From above, Long Beach feels layered. It feels open. It feels like a place where travel, cruising, city life, and the waterfront all meet in one frame. Mr. Aerial Drone has a way of capturing those details without forcing the moment. The footage feels smooth, intentional, and cinematic, but still natural enough for you to feel like you are really there. For us, this is the kind of travel storytelling we love. Visual, elevated, and rooted in the experience. Because sometimes the most memorable part of a travel day is not the rush to get from one place to the next. Sometimes it is the view that makes you pause. This is why we love capturing travel from different perspectives. Long Beach from above gives you the full picture. The coastline, the harbor, the city, and the quiet beauty of a destination that many travelers move through without ever really seeing this way. For us, this was more than just a scenic view. It was a moment to pause, take in the area, and appreciate the journey before the next part of the trip continued. Mr. Aerial Drone captured Long Beach with a smooth, cinematic eye, letting the destination breathe, letting the movement tell the story, and giving us a view that feels elevated without losing the realness of the moment. If you enjoy seeing travel destinations from a different perspective, subscribe for more cruise travel, destination views, and aerial moments from Mia's World and Mr. Aerial Drone from Aerial Drone Enterprises. And right here, we even caught a glimpse of SpaceX lighting up the sky, one of those unexpected travel moments that makes the view even more memorable.